Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to print Gantt view in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, go ahead and select the module. Okay, it could be a project, task, issues, phases, or even time logs. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select task right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and select none under group by. If you want to, you could go ahead and filter this out. Just use the filter. Okay, right here, it could be via task name, projects, some other options. If not, we have here list. Click on it. Make sure that you're under Gantt view. And then what you'll do is just click on the three dots right here that says more options. Okay, right here in the right panel. Click on three dots again. Click on print. Okay, click on it. Wait for it to load. And here you have the preview at the background here as well. So just go ahead and select the destination. You can go ahead and save it as a PDF or select your printer right here. Okay, pages, select all or custom layout right here. It could be portrait or landscape. All right, select the color, black and white or colored. More settings, the paper size, pages right here per sheet, margin, scale, and just click on print. Okay, well, there you have it. That's how easy it is to print Gantt view here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.